Hi, I'm Ravi Kiran from Saket Engineers. We have three different projects in Hyderabad. The one is active adult retirement homes, that is totally dedicated to the elderly people. We are taking care of their food, health, and recreation, and hobby center and everything. This is the first of its kind in the AP itself, where retirement homes has been taken care. Means all the elderly people they'll be taken care with all the facilities what they need at that age. It's like community kitchen is there for there. At the same time, we have given anti-skid flooring, we have given grab bars. At the same time, we have given panic buzzers in all rooms. At the same time, these are all the facilities where at that age elderly people require. And this is first of its kind, and it's ready to occupy. One more project, again it's a first of its kind. AP's first high-rise towers, 25-floored building, residential tower, which is also ready to occupy, with equipped with all the modern amenities like clubhouse, gym, and all the swimming pool, and two swimming pools. One is toddler pool, at the same time one is big pool. This is the first of its kind. Again, we have all the facilities like say solar fencing, at the same time gated community. It's a gated community with all the security concerns has been taken care, earthquake resistant, everything. And one more project in Kompally we are coming up with, that is Bhusatva. Bhusatva, it's a kind of project again. We are going to plant up to 1 lakh trees in that. It's going to be AP's first green and tech enabled project, where green is the energy where we are going to use for the reduction of the current bills and everything. At the same time, it will work as an oxygen factory for your people and for your next generation. And technology, what it's going to come up in the next generation, will be used for the comfortable life what you lead. Villas starting from right now it's around 70 to 80 lakhs starting from, because it's not even started, just kick launched. So when we launch in market, it will be around 1.5 to, it may go up to 1.5, 2 crores also. Because it's a kind of a villa where we are giving, even in the hall also we are giving some green space where you can sit, have and discuss with your family, having a cup of tea, having a cup of coffee in a green lawn in the room. And apart from that, totally green technology will be used for these kind of villas. You'll find all the amenities like clubhouse, swimming pool. These are all the common amenities everyone is given. But apart from that, we have a topped up with the 3 lakes. That 3 lake development program we are taking care. That in that lake development program, we are coming up with the boating at the same time fishing kind of a thing, small day-to-day activities, cycling track, jogging track. It's like after having a day-long drudgery, you're coming to heaven. Like it should feel, you should feel like a heaven. House is a heaven for everyone, their own house.